Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here again. This is the Ariens ST824 that I got for free from Motherload 10. Part of Motherload 10 was, of course, the Troy Built and the Toro lawnmower that I already sold. The Troy Built I got started already. I have to wait for some belts so I can mess with the deck. Not looking forward to that because the deck is a beast. It's huge. Anyway, so I'm out of lawnmowers to fix. So I've got this outstanding that needs attention. I haven't done anything except check out that throttle linkage over here for the ignition. So it's off. You pull it and it's off. Okay. You push it down and it's for throttle up. Kind of cool. I've never seen that before. See, full throttle down, and then it touches the kill wire. And it stops. So I just oiled it and adjusted the linkage, so now it works right. Before it was just like rusted there, and it wouldn't move. So I PB blastered the wire, the cable, and adjusted the linkage. So now at least that works. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is, well, you can't start it. Why? It doesn't have a pull rope, right? So we can't even try to start it just to see if it works. Probably looks okay. I did plug in the electric start, and believe it or not, it does work. But I haven't messed with the carburetor yet, so it didn't start, you know? Carburetor looks pretty rusty. Anyway, I'm gonna take that off and put a pull rope in there. So I just removed 4 3/8 bolts. Unfortunately, I did break one of them. It was so rusty it wouldn't move. But here it is right there. See the one that I busted over there? Yeah, that's not good. So I just wound this up and stopped it. That's the most I can go without it not matching up to the holes. Got this string here. Burned the end. Put it through now. Didn't have a handle, so I got a new handle. I bought like 5 of them for $6 on eBay. Came with the rope, but the rope is just too short. Anyway, you just make a knot there, and there's a recoil starter. It's fixed. Let's put it back on with the 3 bolts and see how it goes. So there you go. Recoil starter. Little resistance there. As if the cover is not attached to the engine. And it wasn't. That bolt was gone. This thing was just hanging there. This has to be grounded. So I put a bolt in there. I have lots of bolts. I'm going to address the carburetor. Loose. Oh boy. Solid. Gonna put some PB blaster on there. I just blasted some carb cleaner in there and pulled it a few times. Didn't start. Just put the electric start on here. Hey, at least we got some compression and we know that the electric starter works. That carburetor's trash. I gotta take that apart. Carburetor came off pretty easily. Just like that. It's the one with the adjustment screw on the bottom. Gonna take that out and see what's in there. Boy, oh boy. This thing hasn't run in years. Years. It's probably easier if I just go and buy a new one. It's like 10 bucks, you know? But I'm just gonna take this apart and see. Well, that takes care of that. While removing the pin, I broke it. So now we know what we're gonna do. Gonna have to buy a new carburetor. So that's what I'll do. Buy a new carburetor. And I can't work on this until I get it, right? Unless, of course, I find another carburetor, which I might. Wouldn't you know it? I had a snowblower Tecumseh carburetor in my bucket of carburetors. I took some pieces of the bad one and put it on the spare one. The spare one needed some cleaning too, which it took a while to do, but it was very therapeutic to do it. So I just blew out the gas tank, put the fixed carburetor on there. I'm thinking it's going to leak because there's a reason why the carburetor is in this bucket of parts, is because it leaked. But I used a gasket from this one and this from that one, you know what I'm saying. So I got it on here. I'm going to put some gas in it and give it a try. So I just put some gas in it, and when I prime it, it shoots, look. What the hell? I've never seen that. The bowl's messed up. Whatever. I'm gonna give it a try now. What? Insanity, man. Wow. Awesome. Okay, only works on choke. Pretty amazing if you think about it. This whole thing to be started up like that, I'm amazed. Success! Can you believe it, man? It works. Unbelievable. Reverse is a little slow. And this thing sticks. Like, you push it down, throttle's high. If you let go, it goes back down to about middle idle, you know? This thing runs. Honestly, really, I mean, did you ever think that I could get this thing to run? I mean, it really wasn't that difficult either. I mean, still needs some TLC, you know what I'm saying? But, man, change that carburetor. It moves. It blows. Actually runs pretty good, you know? Anyway, got this for free. And it's old, but it works. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.